Thanks everyone for joining me. Today I'm sharing a delicious and easy one-pot stew recipe. We call this Eintopf in German language. This is packed with flavor, hearty ingredients, and perfect for any occasion. It is healthy but easy and super delicious. Let's get it started. I'll be starting with the carrots I'm using for this super delicious one pot. These carrots are all well washed and I'm just going to peel them. It is better to peel it. You're going to see the difference from the peeled one and the non-peeled one. Let me put this beside others. Can you see the difference? So that's how I'm going to peel every one. You will love the color later. All these are already well peeled. You can see it. So I'm just going to cut the parts I don't want to have in the pot. That is the top and the bottom of the carrots. And I'm just going to dice this. Please check the description box or the comment section for the exact measurement used for cooking this delicious one-pot stew. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your love, for loving my recipes, for your honest comments, for sharing my videos. God bless you. To all my newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, let me appreciate you. Thank you and may God bless you too. So lovelies, that is how I diced it with a knife. And to make this a lot easier, that is what I'm about to show you now. If you have what I'm about to use now, it makes everything so easy. This is what makes everything much easier, especially if you're going to prepare a lot. Let's say you're preparing for about 5, 10, 20 people. If you have this, you won't even feel the preparation at all. All you need to do with it is to slice your carrot into two, place it on top of it, press it down, and that is it. Voila, let me show you how it looks. That is it. That's what made it so quick. So lovelies, we are done with the first preparation of the carrot. I'll keep it for later use. Now to the next, which you can see on the table here, we have potatoes. These potatoes are peeled and well rinsed. So I'm going to dice it first manually with a knife. You're going to see how I dice it. It is also easy. Can you see? This is so simple as well. But because we're cooking much, so to make it a lot easier, I'm just going to cut this into 2 or into 3 places, and I will get this super easy maker cutter. I'm going to use it to cut the remaining potatoes. And look at it, tra-la-la, we are done with the cutting of the potatoes. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and I'll keep it for later use. Now to the next. You can see what I have here. I have red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Feel free to use only red or only green, but if you use this combo, you will love the look later. You can see how I diced this with a knife. Yes, that's how I dice this with a knife. But to make it a lot easier, let's get this easy nicer dicer. So that's what I used for cutting this, and it made it so quick. So I'm going to also keep this for later use. So it's now time for the onions. I'm just going to go ahead and use the nicer dicer for it. They're ready. So I'm just going to transfer it into a bowl and keep it, yes, until we need it. Now to the next one, the tomatoes. Yes, they're also well rinsed already, and you can cut it with a knife or you use this cutter, this quick cutter, nicer dicer for it. So it's also ready. So I transferred it also for later use. Now to the next one, which is leek. Yes, this is rinsed, so I'm just going to cut the top and the bottom, which we are not going to add into this soup. So I slice this into 2, and then I also cut it like this. Yes, Lovelies, we are getting there. You can see how simple and well detailed this video is. Make sure you watch it up to the end so that you will not miss any part of this amazing soup we are cooking. So I transferred the leek also into a tray for later use. What you can see here are the beef we are using. This is already well rinsed and it is cleaned, so I'm just going to cut it now into bite sizes, or should I say dice it? Yes, so that they will rhyme, they will look alike with all the ingredients we have prepared at the beginning. It will be so easy when you are using your spoon to take them all together and it will fit perfectly into the mouth. So that is what I've just done now, and it's also ready. So lovelies, have a look at everything we prepared together. You can see them. So the remaining ingredients are what you're going to see as we start cooking now. Now I transfer the beef into a pot. I added salt into it, and into this I'm going to add seasoning into it. And like I've said, please check the description box or the comment section for the exact measurements used. So I'm going to add the seasoning mixture into it. Yes, I had a seasoning mixture, and I'm going to just add rosemary. Feel free to use dried one. I'm using fresh one, and I added fresh oregano into it. And after that, I added ginger, fresh ginger. You can use powdered one if that is what is available, but I used fresh one. And I added fresh garlic as well into it. I'm going to add onions, just one handful of diced onions into it, and after that I'll add water. Yes, and I turned my cooker on, covered this, and allow them to boil. Look at it. This has been cooking for about 15 minutes. This meat doesn't take time at all. You can see how we diced it, and I want it very soft. All right, so into it I'm going to add the potatoes. I mix them gently together, and I'm going to go ahead and add other ingredients. Thanks for watching up to the stage. Please remember to share, remember to leave a comment, remember to give it a thumb up, and don't forget to give it a try. That is also very important. So into this I'm going to add more water, and I'm going to add the remaining salt into it. I added the remaining seasoning mixture, and I also added seasoning, and then I added the remaining onions. Be generous with it, you will love it. Okay, so I added olive oil, and you will love it. I added chili flakes. As an African girl, it's for it to be spicy, so I covered and allow it to cook until the potatoes are very soft. It's now time to add the diced bell pepper, carrots as well, and I'm going to also add this our leek and tomatoes. Yes, you can use blended tomatoes like tomato puree. I did not use it. Okay, so now I mix them gently together with my spatula. If you love lovelies, you can cook it to the end like this, but I want it a little bit thicker, so I added mixture of all-purpose flour. You can use corn flour, it is also good for it. I mixed it with water, and I added this into it. Give it a gentle stir. This is what is going to thicken it up. Please don't forget to check the comment section for the exact measurements used. All right, so now I covered it and allow it to cook together for about 3 to 4 minutes. Tra-la-la, lovelies, you need to be here. The aroma here is super. At this stage, please take your spoon, taste for salt and seasoning, and if you want it more spicy, it's now time to adjust. All right, so go ahead and serve it. Lovelies, like I've said, please give this a try, and don't forget to come back in the comment section to give the feedback. This tastes super delicious. It is super healthy and a must try for everyone. Perfect for every occasion. Thanks for watching.